small restaurant. What's the city name? This one? Osikira. What's the city name? Osikira? Osikira, right? Oh, yeah. So they have this. Okay, thank you. They have only small spaces and look at it, just like 5-story, but just like this much of, like in 1 story, it's just 4 little table. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, but all small table like this, and then so how small is the space, and then you go up. So it's like 5-story up, and the kitchen is downstairs. So no wonder the waitress is skinny because they have to go up and down, up and down. And we finish all the food. Yummy, and still have bread.
Cannot eat too much bread.
Yeah, we eat already too much already. Bye.